Hi everyone, Mary Biancalani here to give you a helpful handy-dandy tutorial on the use of the Backnobber 2, a versatile tool for trigger point pressure release. You'll find other information, including some very helpful illustrations, in my newly released edited book, The Complete Guide to Massage, published by Adams Media. Some great information in this book regarding self-care and the importance of self-care. The Backnobber is a great versatile tool you can use just about anywhere. You can certainly see there's a smaller side and a larger curve, a smaller curve, larger curve. You can use the smaller curve to treat the trigger points in the upper trapezius muscle by placing the tool around the back at the upper portion of the shoulder. Reach across your chest, use the opposite hand while this hand goes behind you or is held in your waistband. Relax the shoulder you're treating and press downward with the tool. You could also consider tipping your head to the side, and that certainly would give you an element of stretch as you treat the muscles across the trapezius. Another way to use the tool is while you're laying on the floor. So again, larger side, smaller side, depending on how far across your torso you'd like to be. So if you lay on your back, you can insert the tool on the same side back, raise your weight off the floor, reach the tool around the back, rest your pelvis, relax your abdominals. Then your opposite hand reaches upward on the slight curve of the tool, and then this hand presses upward as you breathe in and exhale. As you can see, it doesn't take a lot of pressure. I'm really only using 2 or 3 fingers to press forward and upward against the bottom edge of the second curve of the tool. And just so you know, then you're going to hold that 2 or 3 breaths, take the weight off of your back, scooch the tool down an inch, rest the back and abdomen, and repeat. Again, using the opposite hand to press upward and inward into the side curve of the tool. We're going in this direction. So that would be using the tool in the opposite side of the back. To create a little more advanced work, you can cross one leg over, big breath in, exhale, and drop the legs to one way or another, again, while this hand is applying upward and across pressure to the bottom curved end of the tool. This hand is simply working to stabilize the Backnobber. You could also repeat this by dipping your legs in the other direction, and again, continuing that upward pressure into the back muscles and the spinal erector muscles. So there's some helpful hints on the use of the Backnobber. Take care. For more information, go to www.chicagotriggerpointcenter.com. Please follow us on Facebook under the same name and also subscribe to us on Twitter. Take care. Have a great day.